Small talk with a friend. Hi there. Welcome to Learn English Through Stories channel. I'm happy you're here today. Let's talk about something simple but very useful. Let's talk about small talk. What is small talk? It's a little conversation. It's not deep. It's not serious. Just friendly words. Like, how are you? Nice weather today. Did you watch the game last night? We use small talk every day. With friends, with classmates, with people at work, even with the cashier at the store. So today, I want to show you how I do small talk. Like I'm talking to a friend. Like I'm talking to you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine this. You see a friend in the morning. You smile. You say, "Hi, how are you?" That's a great way to start. It's short. It's friendly. Your friend says, "I'm good, thanks." And you? You say, "I'm good too." Or, "A little tired, but okay." And now the small talk begins. You can talk about the weather. It's so hot today. I think it might rain. Nice breeze this morning. People love to talk about weather because everyone feels it. You can say, "Beautiful day," right? Or, "Wow, it's cold today." You can also talk about the time or the day. Is it Monday already? Weekend went so fast. Long day today, huh? Your friend will nod, maybe laugh, and the conversation keeps going. Then you can ask about their life. How was your weekend? What did you do yesterday? Any fun plans tonight? Simple questions, not too personal, just friendly. Your friend might say, "Oh, I went to the movies." Or, "I stayed home and rested." You can say, "Sounds nice." Or, "That's cool." You can also talk about food. People love food. Try saying, "Did you have lunch yet?" "What did you eat?" "I had noodles. So good." Or, "I want coffee again." "I need something sweet today." Food is a fun topic, and it makes people smile. You can also talk about work or school. Not serious talk, just light chat. Like, "Busy day today? So many emails. Let's take a break soon." Or, "This morning was crazy. Looking forward to 5 p.m." We all understand busy days. It's easy to connect. You can also use feelings in small talk. Not deep feelings, just quick ones. Try, "I feel sleepy." "I'm a little stressed today." "I feel happy. The sun is out." Or say, "I'm bored." I'm excited for the weekend. Then your friend might say, Me too, or Same here. You can make small jokes. Nothing mean, just fun. Like, I need 5 more coffees. My brain is still in bed. Or, it's only Tuesday? Oh no! Your friend might laugh. Small jokes equal big smiles. And you can end small talk with a kind word. Like, okay, I'll see you later. Or, have a good day. Or, take care. Or, talk to you soon. That's it. That's small talk. Let me show you an example. I'll talk like I'm with my friend. Hey, good morning. Morning. How are you? Good, good. A bit sleepy. You? Same here. Did you sleep well? Kind of. I stayed up watching videos. Oh no. What did you watch? Just funny clips. Nothing important. Haha, I do that too. So, busy day today? Yeah, meetings all morning. Ouch. Good luck. Thanks. What about you? Not too bad. Just emails and lunch. Lunch sounds good right now. I know. I'm already hungry. Okay, let's survive the morning first. Yes. See you later. Bye. That was small talk. Friendly, simple, relaxed. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. Just smile. Say hello. Make a little small talk. And listen. Let's review some easy small talk sentences you can use. Greeting. Hi, how are you? Good morning. Hey, what's up? Weather. Nice day today. It's so hot. Do you think it will rain? Work. School. Busy day today? Almost Friday. I need a break. Feelings. I'm tired. Feeling good today. I'm hungry. Food. Did you eat yet? What did you have for lunch? I want coffee. Ending. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day. Start small. Try one sentence. Then another. And remember, small talk is not small. It builds connection. It starts friendship. It makes people feel seen. So, next time you see someone, say hello. Make a little small talk. You never know, maybe a big friendship starts from a small hi. Thank you so much for listening to Learn English Through Stories channel. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow the channel. We'll talk again soon. And next time, you'll be ready for your own small talk. Bye for now. See you next time.